On Windows 11, you can now install the Apple TV app, which is now available as a preview. The video streaming app provides the same design and feature as the variant for macOS, including access to the Apple TV plus service, movie and more. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install Apple TV on Windows 11 from command prompt. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start. Search for CMD. Right click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to install the Apple TV app on Windows 11 and press enter. Press Y and enter. After you complete the step, you can start Apple TV app from the Start menu. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.